Following protests in the state capital on the death of former General Secretary of the HNLC Cheristerfield Thangkhiew, Kasur Nong Jaintia that included various NGOs and pressure groups had come out to the streets of JOWAI and MYNTDU to condemn the recent killing of the former surrendered HNLC leader. During the Black Flag Peace rally, it was witnessed that non-tribal shopkeepers had pulled down their shutters as a preventive measure against any untoward incident that might follow the protest. Members of Kasur Nong Jaintia that included organizations like the STAY, the HYC, KSU, JSU, FKJGP, JNC, JAM and ANM had gathered at the Kiang Nangba Memorial at Kliriat and openly demanded the truth on the alleged killing of Cheristerfield Thangkhiew by police officials. The gathering also demanded from the government to once again bring about peace and tranquility in the otherwise chaotic situation. From Kliriat, the procession headed towards JOWAI, where the protest march came to a close.